Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks watching on onespotmedia.com. There was more chaos and confusion at vaccination sites across the country. In St. Andrew at the National Arena, several senior citizens were left disappointed as they were turned away when they went for their second dose. Our reporter Shamila Pullen was there and now reports.
Less than 2 hours after the Vaccination Blitz site at the National Arena opened, it was closed. The Ministry of Health had reached its quota for the day.
Hours before the scheduled opening of the vaccination center at the National Arena, there were long lines outside, but not all, including seniors in their 70s, made it inside.
We're coming from Queen Hill, and they send and call us and tell us that we must come in at 11. We are here from 10. And we cannot get to go in. I think it's not properly being supervised.
When I came, I saw about 400 persons waiting, and then the gentleman tell us must disperse. We're not beggars. If we have to pay for the vaccine, we would have paid. It don't sound good at all.
There is nobody to talk to understand whether my appointment is legit or what.
On the inside, things appeared to be moving smoothly. It's where we caught up with the permanent secretary in the Ministry of Health, Dunstan Bryan.
The issue that we have right now is that our vaccine supply has diminished and we have to prioritize a certain group of persons. And the prioritization for today at the National Arena is persons who are doing second dose, persons 50 years and over, and persons who are due vaccination today or days before today. So we have had to prioritize, and some persons we have had to turn back at the gates.
How many people register for today?
So today we are scheduled to see 1,720 persons that are based on that criteria from the database that we have pulled. So we have provisioned 1,720 doses for this site.
Mr. Bryan says persons who were turned away will be contacted and a new date be given to them. Meanwhile, he addressed challenges faced by some persons accessing the ministry's website at this time.
So the website is only providing space for first doses, and we are not doing first doses at this time. So they would not have any space on the vaccination site to register for first doses. Second doses are contacted directly out of the solution that we have, and they get a text message or they get a call from our call center reminding them of the date and giving them the venue and the time for their second dose.
Shamila Pullen, TVJ News.